Aloha folks, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. For this video, we are going to look at a viewer requested company. So if there's a company that you want me to take a look at and possibly do a video, definitely put it in the comment section and I'll definitely check it out. As always, please remember it's not financial advice. This is just me sharing some of the key highlights that I found by looking at this company. Mostly buys, some holds, 33 years of dividend growth, dividend streaks by the way. Last 5 years it has beaten the S&P 500, and this company, the product that they make, a lot of people use it, so which I think is important. So hopefully you like this video. Sit back, enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Share it, and if you're not yet a subscriber, hopefully by the end of this video you like what you see and you subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. With that said, let's take a look at this company, guys. So the company is Hershey's. The ticker symbol is HSY. So this is a company that engages in the manufacture and sale of confectionery products and pantry items. Some of the key facts about this company: net sales is about $8 billion. Number 2, U.S. snacking. Number 1 in U.S. confection. And then you got your 24% 3-year shareholder return. Now if we go to Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, 93, which is very safe. Dividend yield is 1.80. Market cap is a large cap. Now if we go over to some of the key metrics, payout ratio is 46. They've maintained their dividend during the recession of 07-09. Dividend streak of 33 years without a reduction. Looking at the dividend growth, the last 20 years is 9%, the last 5 years 7%, the latest is 15%. You can see a great upward trend. Dividend growth streak of 12 years, consecutive increases, 33 years without a reduction. Some of the payment details: quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December, and your annual payout is $4.14 per share, which breaks down to about $1, and maybe some 90 cents in the couple months. For your to see if it's overvalued, so based on Simply Safe Dividend, they feel it's overvalued. And then you can see right here, 52-week range, it's a little bit closer to the high of 293. And the time of this video is at 230, and then you got 157. Looking at some of the financials, you can see right here, sales growth, total sales in billions, return on investment capital 26, return on equity is 57. Now if we swing to Yahoo Finance, you can see the year. So you can see it for 1 year chart. Just by looking at the chart, it's like going up and then it kind of gets steady. And then you can see here, based on the earnings, you can see 4 beats in the last earnings. Financials, you can see the revenue from 2020 to 2021, it has gone up. So 2020, 8 billion. 2021, you can see almost close to 9 billion. Yeah, and then you can see right here, trends is a mixture of holds to buy and strong buy. Target is currently below the average of 241. Time of this video is at 230. Now if we go to, again, keeping at Yahoo Finance, I wanted to take a look at how it performed in the last 5 years. So pretty much okay. It's beaten the S&P 500 a couple times. Now if we go to, again, who are the top institutional holdings, you can see right here, Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street, and you got JP Morgan, Invesco, just to name a few. Going over to tip ranks, based on their analysis, they rated as moderate buy, 2 buys and 5 hold. Their price is at 237 with 3% upside. The highest they think it goes to 255, and then you got your low of 222. Now if we go to a little bit more of stock analysis, Outperformed, and then you got your hedge funds have decreased their shares. Yeah. Now if we go to Seeking Alpha, if you look at the 10-year performance of this, it is up 221. and then you got your 5-year performance of 112%. Yeah. And then you go to CNN Business based on their price forecast is in the high of 270, medium is 243, and then the low of 216. And then their analysis is hold right here, 12 hold. Looking at Webull based on their analysis, you can see 22 of them says it's a holder right here. And then you can see the price target is 270 for the high, 241 is the average, and 216 is the low. Looking at market beat, you can see dividend strength is strong, projected earnings of 8%, and then you got instant trading is they're selling the shares, analysis rating of moderate buy. And then if you go over to Stock Rover, based on their analysis, they rate it as a buy, which is 13, 4 buy, 4 strong buy, 1 buy, 8 holds, and no sell. Now, if we go to comparing it with the S&P 500 risk and return, you can see right here S&P 500 for 5 years, 57. The industry itself has 70, but you can see right here 5-year return is 139. It also beat it in the last 2 years too. You can see from right here. And then the 1-year return is about 34%. Now if we swing to bar chart based on their analysis, the high of 270, the medium of 230, and then the low of 210, and then you can see they're rated as a moderate buy, breaking it down to about 8 holds, 4 strong buy, and then 1 moderate buy. Now if we go a little bit more, you can see the chart right here. It's a little bit kind of with the things that's going on, it looked like it might go down a little bit more. You can see here it's just like today's market, it was a sold, people were just selling, but you can see the MACD right here has crossed over, and then you can see the Rizzo right here is in a good place between the 0.08 and 0.02. So I'm gonna expect to see a little bit more drop with the news tomorrow, so we'll see. And then lastly, looking at Simply Wall Street based on share price and fair value, 17% overvalued. Current price it's 230. Fair value is about 196. Now if we go some of the overview, you can see some of the positives and negative. Has a high level of debt, reliable dividend, earnings grew 10% over the last year. And then you can see the 5-day return right here, and then you can see the 1 month, 6 months, you can see, and then the 1 year, right? My take on this one, definitely a great stock to invest on. It is pretty high. I would like to see it a little bit low. So we'll see how it goes, but it's definitely a good company to invest on. It's a company that many people will use, so it's gonna stay for a long time. Dividends is pretty solid, so in my opinion, if this is a company that you like, it's a solid company to invest on it. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. There are other videos as well and other great companies that if you're interested, go check it out. As always, please stay cool out there, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, right? Take care. Aloha.